Hello, I'm Isaac Shattershade, and I'm currently the director of the Format Forces, and I'm going to be showing you how to format. So right here, let's take F3 for example. Every single one has a format log channel. They each do it differently, but it's basically the same. You first put in the old username of the person that you formatted, and then the new version. Um, and just keep this in mind while we're doing this. So let's go over here. Let's go to name update request. So this is a place where you can find uh, uh, where to format people, but don't use this as your main thing because um, a lot of people rely on this more than what they should actually be doing. But how this thing works is, let's say this guy's name was still not formatted. His name would have been this. Diddle fermenta, you would copy this and the tag, go to format commands, type in who is, and that name. If that comes up, just do cancel. It was obviously this thing. And there, it'll look it up, and then you got the name. So you copy the name, go back to that, you click change nickname. Also, if you're going to be doing for departments, make sure they have the tag or go to their Roblox profile and then check their rank in the group or what groups they're in. So anyway, let's go back to this guy. You click change nickname, and then it would be L0 and then /A if they don't have a department, and you just paste it in. So that's his name done, but it was already done before. So another way you can do it is go to a server, go to members, and then you pick a rank you want to go look at. I'm going to choose level 1 for now. There's all these unformatted people. You want to make these people level 1s. Anyway, let's start with this guy. So you copy his name, you exit out, go to format bot commands. Also, if you're doing this with format logs, you type in old, paste that in, delete this, new, and then let's go see what his name is. Who is this guy? For Glories. Okay, so then you'd go back to this. Let's see, he was level 1. And if they're in a department, you put that in, but he wasn't in a department. So you put that in, go back to here, go to level 1, change his nickname to L1, no department, and there you go. That's how you format people. I hope you enjoy formatting as much as I do. And yeah, good luck.